Hi guys, this is Klaudia. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I will be unboxing the new Apple Watch Nike Series 6. This one is with GPS and cellular. I got the 40mm one, space grey aluminum edition. Now I got the Nike one because I just like the sports band better. I want to use my watch more for exercising anyway, so I feel like the band will make the sweat escape more easier, so I thought it'd be more suited for that. But it's not really much of a difference anyway. I'll explain further in the videos. From the first impressions, you can see that the box is a lot thinner, and that's because they unfortunately didn't put the power adapter this time, so you might want to consider getting one, or I'll just be using my old iPhone adapter for now anyway. Yeah, let's get into the unboxing. I kind of already opened it a little bit by mistake, but just gonna go with that. Look at this freshness. So it comes in two parts. Nice little creative packaging. And then we got the band. And then the watch in here. So let's open the band first. A lot of information in here as well. So this is the small one and this is the medium one. So I got a small hand. So I'm gonna pop this one out. So that's how the Nike one looks like. I really love how soft it is. So the watch, information pack as always. So that's the USB cable. Guys, I'm so bad at opening this. Right, okay. So we got the USB cable, it looks like that. It's pretty long. And then we got the watch. Okay, there we go. Right. Oh wow, it's already turning on, just like the usual devices. This is how it looks. I'm gonna bring you guys closer in a sec anyway. I'm just gonna put it together. There we go. Now I'm gonna bring you guys more closer in and show you guys how I set this up. New features of the Series 6 include always on display feature is 2 times brighter. Glad I didn't have to go through the dimness of the previous versions. It has a faster charging time, takes 90 minutes for full charge. It monitors your sleep, so how many hours of sleep you are getting, and determines how much of it is in deep sleep or light sleep. Measures your blood oxygen levels, detects the amount of oxygen carried by red blood cells from lungs to the rest of the body. That's pretty amazing. So I found out that anything above 95% is normal. Anything below 92%, it might be a concern. So with the Nike edition, you get the different Nike watch faces. I think there's like 3 new ones with the Series 6. And you also just get the general ones as well for specific professions. So literally the little differences with the Nike one is that you get this sports band, you get additional Nike watch faces, and someone said in the comments of the previous video that you're basically doing a free advertisement for Nike, which is pretty true. And basically the Nike watch has this additional feature that when you press on the Nike logo, Nike Run automatically comes up. And you can also see that there's a Nike logo on the back of the watch and then on the band as well. So I thought I'll give you a few reasons why you may want to have a watch and why I wanted to buy one. The first one is because of the new feature for the Series 6, the sleep tracking. I kind of want to know how much sleep I'm getting and say if I'm a bit off or unfocused, I just want to know if that's because I didn't have enough sleep or is there something more to it. The other things are quite more basic. So I work in an office, so I'm on the computer for most of the time, and I think any smartwatch does this now, but when you sit for too long, it will sort of remind you to just get up and walk around a little bit. So I kind of need that because sometimes I'm just so focused that I just forget. The next thing is, sometimes I just kind of want to leave my phone behind to go gym. It's quite awkward to put the phone somewhere, so this one will be a little good gadget for that. But just make sure you get the cellular if you want to still get the internet access for that, if you want to leave your phone behind. So another thing is traveling underground. Now sometimes you will catch a bit of a connection, and I just can't be bothered to always kind of like look up at my phone all the time to see if the connection's back. But the Apple Watch will just notify me if I'm getting any connection and will just pop up all the notifications straight away. So I think the last reason is it will make me less distracted. I can just look at the time from the watch and any notification if anyone's calling me, rather than just picking up my phone and then mindlessly just going on social media, because that's what I tend to do. So yeah, that's the most important reasons for me. And that is everything, guys. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.